Hope you're okay. I'll show you in this video today how to back up your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now you're going to be doing this backup on a Google account, so ensure you have a Google account added to your phone. So go into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll down and find system and update, and then you want to select backup and reset, and then you want to choose Google backup. This is the option that you want to choose, Google account. And then it's going to ask you to turn on the backup, so tap on turn on and then select the stuff that you want to backup. You can choose to check or uncheck, whatever option. You can leave them both checked and then simply tap on confirm, and it's now going to back up your stuff to your Google account just like that. Now if you no longer want that, you can simply always come back to this option, and okay, when you back up, you can simply tap on backup now. But if you don't want to back up any longer, come back to this option and select the details that are being backed up, and then you want to turn off this option, and then you can either select delete and turn off or cancel. But if you no longer want to back up, simply select that, and now to back up your device once again, you'll be required to turn it on and then tap on turn on backup to back up your stuff. That's basically how to back up your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G to your Google account. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.